show up, be consistent, and use a scheduler, because I promise
Yes.
you, if you don't, you won't be showing up on regular.
Absolutely. We're too busy. We're too busy. And the
Yep.
more you can automate things, or the more it could be a Monday is a this kind of day and a Tuesday is a this kind of day. And there will be days where something comes up and you can't necessarily keep to it, which is why though having something like Tailwind, which we use in all of our businesses, it's like I can schedule it beforehand and I can kind of set it and forget it. But
Mhm.
yes, consistency, consistency, consistency. Let people be like that, they know that you're reliable. So for
Yep.
example, you guys show up once a week and do this show, and my podcasts go live at midnight every Wednesday morning,
Mhm.
and it's like it's not negotiable.
Mhm.
And so it is like people will know that you're there for them, and you're signaling to the algorithms that you're going to show up. You're signaling to your audience that you're going to show up, and you're showing up for yourself, and you're treating your business like a business.